For this tutorial, we will use a half-carat diamond. In the toolbar, select the Diamonds tab. Choose the Basket command. RhinoArtisan provides a library with different models. In this case, we will use the BA002 model because we will make it curved. Once the basket is selected, we will adjust some parameters. Click on Edit. Since the half-carat stone has a diameter larger than 5 millimeters, we will use a diameter of 1.20 millimeters for the prongs to securely hold the diamond. For aesthetic purposes and to add detail, we will use 0.90 millimeters for the width of the lower part. We need to keep in mind that very long earrings can affect the balance when worn, so we will adjust the height to 4.3 millimeters, which is high enough to set the stone and leave the necessary space. Change the prong mode to curved and the post support to double. The function of the rails is to support and strengthen the prongs to prevent them from opening. Increase the height to 1.10 millimeters. Increase the undergrill parameter of the upper rail to 1.30 millimeters. The lower rail will be set to 1.10 millimeters to match the upper one. We add the post using the Curator panel, and we will use a 4 millimeters earring post push. Position it, and the model will be finished. We can now make a copy of this model to obtain the pair and position them. In the Render and Animation menu, we can assign a diamond material to the gem. For the metal, we will use 18K white gold. Select the parameters for the render and we are done.